Hi, today I'm going to show you how to enable and disable auto wallpaper changes on your POCO X6 Pro. This feature automatically changes the wallpaper on your phone. Each time you unlock your screen, Wallpaper Carousel will display a new image. And you can also adjust the settings to control how often the wallpaper updates. That sounds amazing, right? So let's start. We're going to go to the settings. We're going to press on the gear icon. You're gonna need to scroll a little bit down to the wallpaper and personalization. I'm already here, so I'm just gonna need to tap on it. And here we're gonna need to tap again on Wallpaper Carousel. And after you will tap on agree, it will automatically turn it on. So here you can scroll a little bit and you can see all the settings. So here, for example, you can add your own images to Wallpaper Carousel, and you can also select how often you want to see them. For example, every 5th image, every 4th, and you can just tap on it to make your choice. You don't need to confirm anything after that. You just simply need to press on the arrow to go to the menu. So, and also you can turn off the using mobile data for updating your wallpapers just by simply pressing on this toggle. And to turn off auto wallpaper changes, you just need to again press on this toggle. And when it's gray, it means that your wallpaper changes is off. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching. And if you would like to learn more about POCO X6 Pro, subscribe to my channel.